Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Yeah, in today's video I would like to share with you how I prepare this yummy delicious stir-fried pasta. You need few ingredients for this pasta and it will come out so delicious. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video.
To be brought into this place, you wanna love me.
Now let's prep our ingredients. I'll be using tomatoes, so that's what I'm slicing there. I have to slice my tomato. I am not blending it, so all the ingredients I'm using for the stir-fried pasta will be sliced. So I'm starting with my tomatoes.
As you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need.
So the next ingredient is pepper. So I'm going to slice the pepper as well.
Stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
So now I'm slicing the onions. So I'll be using green bell pepper rather, and red bell pepper. The list of the ingredients will be at the description box, so please do check it out. Yeah, like I said earlier, no blending here, so I'm slicing the green pepper as well.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue.
So now we are done prepping our ingredients, so it's time to boil our pasta.
As you fade away, as you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your.
So it's time to fry our sliced ingredients. I'm using the oil I use in frying turkey. I love the taste it gives this dish. So I've added my onions, my sliced onion, then fresh pepper,
in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks.
So I'm adding the tomatoes now. I see the water underneath. I don't want to add the water because it's stir fry now, so I don't want it to cook. The water will make it cook, so I want it fried.
I don't push pause, no, I push play.
Spaghetti is ready, so I'm going to off. So the spaghetti is ready, it's done, it's soft.
Till I hear him say,
So this has been frying for like 5 minutes now.
Need a cup of blend, that's right. In the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time.
So I'm going to be adding my seasoning cube. I love no chicken. I'm using 2 cubes.
Each and every day I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never cap.
So it's done frying now. It's time to add Titus. Don't skip this step. This fish will take the taste of this meal from 0 to 100. In fact, it makes a huge difference. I love the taste it gives me. So please don't skip this step at all.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long.
So I'm adding the green pepper and the red pepper now. I wouldn't want it to cook for a long time, so just to like stir fry it for a few minutes, and we introduce the main thing, which is our pasta.
Feel like it's Monday, something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my...
So all you have to do now is to mix and mix and mix, as in let the pasta and the sauce marry each other. Let the pasta enter into the sauce and let the sauce enter into the pasta.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong.
So I present to you a simple spaghetti dish that you can make for your family, you can make for your children. In fact, kids love this recipe. They love spaghetti now. When you now make it a stir fry, in fact, they will enjoy it.
As you fade away.
I will be enjoying this pasta with pepper turkey. The link to the pepper turkey will be at the description box. Please do check it out so that you can prepare your own and eat it with this pasta. The combination, it's heavenly. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so as you'll be notified the next time I upload another video. Till then, stay blessed. Bye.